foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make okra salad. Someone calls it lady's fingers. Okay, here are the ingredients we need. We need okra and I have already sliced it into small pieces. Other than that, we need a shredded onion, sliced tomato, chopped green chili, lime, Maldive fish, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt and coconut oil. Let's start. First of all, we want to season okra. Take a medium-sized bowl and put sliced okra, turmeric powder and salt and mix those ingredients together. When you add salt and pepper, you can decide the amount you add as per your taste. Take a frying pot and switch on the flame, then add some coconut oil to frying pot. When coconut oil is heated enough, add your seasonal okra into the oil pot and fry it for a few minutes. After about 2 or 3 minutes, you can get out okra from the oil pot. Fry all the okra like that. Take the medium-sized bowl and put chopped green chili, sliced onion, salt and pepper. Mix all the ingredients. Now add tomatoes and fried okra into the salad mixture and mix it smoothly. It's time to add Maldive fish and lime as your taste. Okra salad is ready. Okay, here is our okra salad. You can serve it fresh. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with a lovely recipe.